Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the A-Zone 360 LED solar wall light. Grabbed this off of Amazon for about $26. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So this one has wireless features. It is charged with a solar panel, so you can just screw this into the side of your house or whatever, and it should be ready to go. I have a dark spot on the side of my house, or where there's no lighting really there, and I don't want to run some wires, so this is ideal for you if you don't want to have to run any wires, or you don't have an existing plug-in over there and you just want to have a nice little security light over there. So this has 3 different modes with the sensors. It'll stay on, let's see, 3 modes: medium light and sensor mode. So there's no motion detected, and medium light for 6 hours. And motion, if the motion is detected, goes super bright. And then evening comes on medium, and then the bright will stay on when it gets dark, I guess. And then sensor mode, no motion, no light, but when it senses anything, it's just bright, super bright light. So let's check it out. Enough of that. So what you guys were all here for is the unboxing, so let's unbox it, shall we? Alright, in here we have, looks like the, okay, that doesn't move, the plastic base for the light is there, and let's get to the instructions. That's it for the box. We have the instructions here. Get your free gift now, buy one get one campaign. Okay. Do your installation instructions. So it has like a another screw in there and attachment for this. And here is what we've all been waiting for. You got a nice solar panel here. This is all sealed in there. It's waterproof. And you have pretty much 360 degrees array of LED lights here, and here's your little motion detector also, which has a, I think it's at 120 degrees of coverage. So that looks like it's pretty cool. You have a little power button under here, so you can turn it on. And this appears to be well constructed. Everything's all sealed in here in plastic, so it should be fairly weather resistant. And you have a nice little solar panel here, so that's gonna pretty much looks like it's gonna be an easy install as well. Just gonna screw this into your siding with a couple screws, and then this goes on here, and it will be adjustable to pretty much any way you want it. So that's kind of cool, actually. I like how it tilts down a little bit, just in case you know, if your sun's coming right at an angle, or you have some eaves there, you can kind of point it towards where the sun is. So that's kind of nice. Anyways, I will be doing an install video on this, and we'll see how it works, and then a final review. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and we will see you again when we do the install. Everyone have a great day out there, and we shall see you next time.